let's have a look on 4 modules of IELTS. Which are the 4 modules? You all are familiar with that. Yes, listening, reading, speaking and writing. Now what's listening? For listening, you will be getting 40 questions. To answer the 40 questions, there is half an hour. Extra 10 minutes will be given to transfer the answers. And there are 4 sections for listening. That means 4 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Part 1 is easier than Part 2, 3 and 4, like other parts. When we move to other parts like Part 2 and till 4, it will become more speeder and tough. And the classes I provide from my side is I will be giving you some common vocabularies along with practice. Continuous practice will help you to crack listening section. Moving to the next section, that is speaking. For speaking, there are 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. And Part 1, we call it as warm-up questions. Normally, the simplest question, that means your personal questions will be asked for warm-up. You should give the answers in 1 or 2 sentences. That's enough. We will practice many more warm-up questions, and the practice questions are often asked. That is warm-up questions. Moving to the next part of speaking, that is cue card. Cue card is particularly difficult. Cue card section is difficult than other sections. In cue card, you will get a topic. In cue card, you will be getting an important topic. And regarding the topic, you have to give points. And you have to speak on the topic 2 minutes continuously without any pause. And examiner will be giving you 1 minute for preparation. And one helpful thing from the cue card is that we will practice more cue card sessions. And the practice questions will be asked. And it's mandatory that you should not give any pause in between cue card. For example, for cue card, suppose the examiner is asking you, describe your first day at school, where it was, what happened, how you felt on that day. So this is the cue card that you are getting for the exam. And the examiner will be giving you 1 minute for preparation. At that time, you can write down the sub-questions and make out 2 or 3 lines regarding the points of the sub-questions. And you should speak 2 minutes continuously on the topic. And you should not go off topic. If you make off topic, what will happen? You won't get the score. Moving to the third part of speaking, that we call it as follow-up. Follow-up is question-answer type. Like warm-up, follow-up is also question-answer. But the difference between warm-up and follow-up is that for warm-up, you have to give the answers in 1 or 2 sentences. But in follow-up, minimum 4 sentences is needed. And in this section also, we will practice many more questions. Unfortunately, the practice questions won't be asked. It's like a discussion. So whatever questions that comes to the examiner's mind will be given to you. So you should be ready to give points for the questions. And we will make out many more practice. With the help of the practice, definitely you can give points for the follow-up questions. So duration of speaking is maximum 11 to 15 minutes. So hope you got an idea about speaking section. Moving to the next section, that is reading. Yes, for reading also you will be getting 40 questions. To answer the 40 questions, 1 hour is needed. To answer the 40 questions, 1 hour is needed. Within 1 hour, you have to answer the 40 questions. And how I give classes for reading session is that for reading, there are 4 main patterns. These 4 main patterns definitely will be there for the exam. Which are the 4 main patterns? Yes, paragraph informations, list of headings, summary, true or false. These are the 4 main patterns. These patterns you will be getting for the exam. First of all, I'll teach you paragraph information. I'll provide some common reading tips regarding the 4 patterns. So that will be helpful for you to locate the answers. Then I will give assignments of paragraph information. You have to do that. No need of checking the answers. Whatever answer you may get, you have to come with that answer. In class time, we will be discussing the wrong answers. Like this way, our class For other 4 patterns will continue. That means assignments will be giving for you for summary pattern, list of headings, true or false and all. So continuous practice of reading will make you to score high. Later, after explaining and giving assignments for reading, I'll be forwarding the reading PDF. You have to do yourself. And after doing the 40 questions, what you have to do is you should ask me the answer key. I'll be providing the answer key. With that answer key, you should evaluate yourself. So this is how I give practice for reading. The last session of IELTS module is writing. Yes, for academic writing, normally there are 2 tasks. If it is academic or general, there are 2 tasks. Task 1 and task 2. Now for academic, task 1 is like 7 charts. Like line graph, bar chart, pie chart and all. These are the 7 charts. From the 7 charts, 1 chart will be asked for the exam. Yes, I will teach you these 7 charts with my personal notes. So it will help you to write the charts in a proper way. With my personal notes, help you to write the task 1, that is these graphs, in a proper way. I'll explain and give you the 7 charts. And also, many more questions will be provided from my side for you to practice. The word count of task 1 is minimum 150 and maximum 200. Going to the task 2 writing, that is general essay. Normally, we used to write essays in colleges, but it's entirely different from that. There are 6 types of essay questions and the structures. This essay also will be teaching you with notes. So you'll get an idea how to write essay. Yes, after explaining with notes, the practice session will start. I'll be giving many more essays along with points. Points will help you to elaborate and make you to write essay in a proper way. Along with this, there are some vocabularies which will be providing from my side. This is how I teach essays, writing tasks 1 and 2. And the IELTS duration is 2 hours 40 minutes. 1 hour for reading, 1 hour for writing, half an hour for listening, extra 10 minutes to transfer the listening answers. So this is how I give classes for IELTS. Hope you got an idea. Thank you.